Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the November and December Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life focuses on pocket page scrapbooking. It has cut-aparts that you can use in pocket pages. It's also great for mini albums, traveler's notebooks, cards, even traditional 12 by 12 pages or 8.5 by 11, because the backs of these papers have full designs. This also coordinates with your Flavors of the Month kit, so it's a great add-on for more pattern paper and more embellishments for your Flavors of the Month kit. So as you can see, we have everything from fall and Thanksgiving to winter. We have some sunflowers and then Christmas. So everything to get you through this holiday season. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything in this month's kit. So we're going to take a look at all of the papers first. So starting from Cartabella, Home for Christmas, we have the 3x4 cut-aparts. These are great. You can fussy cut some of these for embellishments, and again, cut them out as 3x4 and tuck in your pocket page scrapbooking. Lots of places for journaling and lots of great ideas for titles. The back is a shiplap design with snowflakes in the black. From Pink Fresh, we have Holiday Magic. This paper is called 'Tis the Season, and it has 3x3 cards, so that's a lot of fun. This one definitely has lots of places for embellishments or for journaling, and I love that, as well as embellishing in titles. The back is a black snowflake large print on white. For Simple Stories, Holly Days, I love this. I love the pink and the blue together, but then you still get the red and the green as well. This is the 4x6 cut-aparts. So you have some that are horizontal and then a couple that you could use vertical. The back is a candy cane stripe in the pink and red and white. And then from Vicki Boutin, Warm Wishes. So this is the 3x4s. This paper is called Hello December. I love this collection. Again, it has that little bit of pink and that blue, but then you get your traditional red and green with a little bit of turquoise. This little mouse here is just super adorable. I love this card. It's all layered up and ready for you. Gives it a lot of dimension. The back is a kind of looks like a canvas. So this is Vicki Boutin's mixed media papers that she does that are just gorgeous. They do all of that hard work for you. So it has some music notes kind of here in the background. Lots of the different colors of circles in different sizes, you know, starting heavier at the top and getting lighter at the bottom. Full branding strip with the 31 days of December. And then from Cartabella, we have Sunflower Market. This is 4x4 cut-aparts. Our kitchen is for dancing and happiness. Gather at the table and enjoy time together. Together is our favorite place to be. So many great positive sayings. The back is a shiplap design. Love that. And then for winter, we have Cartabella's Welcome Winter. This again is 4x6 cut-aparts. Great titles, Stay Home and Get Cozy, Walking in a Winter Wonderland. Love the bears and the woodland designs in this collection. The back is this beautiful plaid in the light blue and dark blue with green. From Echo Park, we have Fall, which is the 3x4 cut-aparts. Again, lots of ideas for titles and pages that you could create. Hello Gorgeous, it's fall. Meet me at the pumpkin patch. My favorite color is fall. The back is a blue plaid. And then from Simple Stories, their Simple Vintage Country Harvest collection, we have the 4x6 cut-aparts. Love their designs. I love the vintage collections that they do. It's rustic, but it's gorgeous, has vibrant colors, but yet they're the muted tone downs, if that's possible, but it is. And I love that they already layer and do all of the work for you. Their collections are just gorgeous, and I love how they're doing all of this layering bits now. The back is a turquoise plaid in a distressed pattern. So one more look at your full 12 by 12 patterns and your cut apart side. So again, those are perfect for your pocket page scrapbooking as well as full 12 by 12. So now let's take a look at the embellishments that you're going to receive this month. For the Cartabella Home for Christmas, you're going to get half a package of enamel dots. So there's the red, the burgundy, the green, the white, and the black. From Pink Fresh Holiday Magic, you're going to get half a pack of the puffy stickers. So these will vary among the kits, but super gorgeous. And then from Simple Stories Holidays, you're going to get a roll of washi. So again, these will vary among the kits. I got this beautiful light blue with different colors of snowflakes. And then from Vicki Bouton's Warm Wishes, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets from the book. So again, those will vary among the kits. For the Sunflower Market collection, you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera. So again, these will vary. Let me see where I can get these out. But there's banners and then lots of phrases. Home Sweet Home, Welcome, Kitchen is the Heart of the Home, and Farm Fresh. So again, those will vary, but that gives you a good representation. From Cartabella Welcome Winter, you're going to get half a pack of the ephemera pieces from it. So again, these will vary, but it has all of those awesome woodland icons, that dark navy blue, lots of great phrases. Winter, let it snow. It just keeps going, and I have a little sled and a cup of hot cocoa. From the Echo Park Fall Collection, you're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots. So there's a gold, kind of a light orange. It's almost like a corally peach, white, red, and brown. And then from the Simple Stories, oh, missed a banner. From the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Country Harvest collection, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So lots of labels down here, tickets, these little paint swatches, and then titles and subtitles. We even have photo corners. I love photo corners. And then we have some tags and banners along with all of the fall icons in that collection. So that's a look at your November-December Shots of Life kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits in the store and check out the Flavors of the Month kit so you can see what all is included in it, and it coordinates with it, so it's a great kit to get along with it. Join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. We can't wait to see what you create with your kits.